Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ps4 off completely. Don't use rest mode. Once done, press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This ensures the console is fully off. Next, plug a wired USB keyboard or wired mouse into a front USB port so the system can accept input without a controller. Make sure the TV and HDMI are active, and the Ps4 model is noted because button timing can differ slightly between Slim and Pro. Once the console is off and your keyboard is connected, press and hold the Ps4 power button for about 7 seconds until the second beep. This boots safe mode. You use the keyboard to navigate. Arrow keys move the cursor, Enter selects, and ESC backs out. Some function keys may substitute for controller shortcuts, so try F1, F12 if a menu prompt appears. From here, choose the safe mode action you need, such as restarting or changing resolution. To exit, select Restart Ps4 in safe mode and press Enter. The system should boot normally. If it doesn't respond, make sure the keyboard is in a USB 2.0 front port and try another wired keyboard or a basic wired mouse to check input recognition. Also confirm the keyboard doesn't require special drivers. If all else fails, plug a DualShock 4 into USB and press the PS button to restore controller control. Then boot normally and reconnect wireless adapters as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.